Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have a Universal Yums. I have 3 little taste testers here with me and we're gonna get into this. I do not know what country this is, so let's get into it and check it out. Just gonna cut right into this and get started snacking. I have the girls for a few hours here today and I thought this would be a fun way to pass the time. We have the Baltics. I am not sure exactly what that means. I mean, for food, I know what the Baltics are, but that is what it looks like when we open it up. This tells us a little bit about the Baltics. The back tells us that we have 17 snacks today. I do get the biggest Universal Yum that they have so that we get the beverage also. We have our paperwork and then we get right into the snacks. This is the book that we get with it. Inside it has a quiz. It tells us a little bit about Baltics things. We have our quiz that I love to find a question and quiz the girls with. And then we have a little bit of information about all of the products we have. And what makes it so wonderful is they give you in English, because sometimes on the back of the packaging, it's not in English, all of your allergens, because between us, we do have a couple of allergies. So I'm gonna hand over the information and have our reader read for us as I just reach in and pick goodies out. And as I was reaching in for snacks, we have stickers. We also get stickers in each box. First out, we have Red Crocodile snacks with ketchup taste. This is something that we come across periodically, is ketchup flavored things from other countries. Something to tell us, baby?
Airy corn puffs with a tangy ketchup flavor. You may think
Corn puffs.
You may think you know ketchup, but just wait until you've tried the Baltic version. The first thing you'll notice when you try these snacks is that the flavor is sweeter than you might expect. In Lithuania, this sweeter ketchup can be found in all the usual places like burgers, potatoes, but also on pizza.
Oh my goodness.
No, thank you.
It smells just like ketchup.
Yes, please. I love ketchup. I don't want ketchup.
You don't want ketchup?
No.
Okay.
And it tastes just like ketchup.
It tastes just like ketchup? All right.
That's really all it is.
Maybe not the sticker.
That wasn't my favorite. Did you like it, baby?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Next we have Lentils Snack Maple Bacon. That is what it looks like.
I don't want that.
She doesn't want that one.
Sweet and smoky with an amazing crisp. That's it.
That's it? Oh my goodness. The second that I opened it, it smells of maple and bacon for sure. Here, guys.
Ooh.
Anybody?
Yes, please. It looks just like a French fry.
It does look just like a fry. Did I show you these?
Oh.
Not your favorite? It tastes like maple and bacon to me. I like it much better than the ketchup ones. In case I didn't show you guys, that's what the ketchup ones look like. It looks kind of to me like a lizard. Next out, we got a lot of salty in this one. Normally we have mostly sweet. We have Adazu Dills. I think it's just gonna be dill potatoes. Potato chips, not potatoes.
In the same way garlic is used in other parts of the world, dill is that one spice that home cooks are always returning to.
When I opened the bag, it smelled just like dill. You don't want one, baby?
And it smells like dill too.
It does taste like dill. It leans on pickles, dill pickles. You can taste the dill of it. Yeah. Next out, we have the Per Gale Milk Chocolate with Cookie Filling. Anybody want to try this?
Yes!
Yay! Who
It's a
doesn't
dark
love
chocolate?
chocolate? Nope, I think it's a milk chocolate, baby, so it should be nice and sweet.
This is decadent Lithuanian chocolate with a buttery cookie filling.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Is it good? I was going to show them. That's what the bar looks like. And then when you get it out, yums! This is what the little piece looks like.
I like this.
That's good.
I like this too, baby.
The
That is delicious.
That is amazing.
It tastes like an Oreo.
It was delicious.
Yeah. It
The
is.
milk chocolate is very milky. The cookie butter
Like
is...
melts.
Can I have another one?
It's like... We got a lot to get through here, baby. Well, maybe when we're done. Next, we have the Long Chips Mashed Potato Snack. Ooh, it's creamy mushroom flavored. This is what I saw at the front of the book, and I was kind of like, ooh, I wonder if we're going to have that.
Yes, please.
I wanted baby. I got one partner in crime. My only one that would try the ketchup one with me is also going to try the mushroom with me. Oh, these are like, oh, look, baby. These are like the ones we had that were the wasabi ones last time.
Those were good, but no.
Those were good. Would you like to try that, sweetie? So they're just the nice flat ones. We had them last month, and they were wasabi flavored. These are supposedly mashed potato and mushroom flavored.
Oh, you don't taste the mushroom.
Mm-mm.
You don't taste?
Mm-mm.
No, you don't taste anything.
That's delightful.
Can I try?
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
Still a no.
Okay. Next out, we have Adazu dip. So this is just going to be a dip that we can make, and it is dill. So it's probably going to have the same kind of flavor. Was the brand? Yes. The dill chips were the same brand. So I bet it has the same flavor, but it's just a dip you can make. Actually, I'm going to a little party on Sunday, so I might go ahead and take this with some chips. You guys want to get into the yum bag?
Yes!
One of the things that we always get is the yum bag, and we get a few pieces of a couple different kinds of candy usually. Different flavors. Usually there's 2 or 3 different kinds of candy. And I think probably I've said in the past, they get it in big bags, and they kind of divvy it out for you to be able to try a few.
These all look good.
All right. We have 4 of these, and they say Lema. We have 4 of these, and they say Gelissimo. Oh, feels like a fruit gel. And then we have 4 of these. These look like the ones we always get. They're like toffee type situations. It says Gotina. What do we want to start with?
I want to start with that.
Yeah, the
Dr. Pepper one, the first one.
The cola one. This one is apparently cola flavored.
I want cola too.
Oh, it is white when you get it open.
Oh.
It looks like a tablet of some sort, but it's cola flavored.
Ew, it looks like medicine.
It does kind of
It's
look
like
like
Christmas.
medicine.
Oh, just,
I get the cola flavor.
oh yeah.
It's
I
a
got
very
the sour
firm
one.
chew.
I got the sour one.
what?
It is a little sour when you get into
It
it.
is not sour.
It is sour. Okay, that was pretty good. As it went to me, it tastes kind of like medicine. Yeah, or candle. You know the ones we had that we said, ooh,
No,
that
it's
tastes
not.
like a candle? Well, no, it's not as bad as that one. But it had a very florally flavor to me. We're going to try these next. They are strawberry. What do we know about them, baby?
They are chewy fudge bursting with fruity flavor.
Ooh.
Oh,
Is it good, guys? That's what it looks like when we get it open, like a piece of fudge.
no.
No?
Tastes like cheese.
It just
Tastes like tastes like cheese.
I think it tastes like strawberry.
It tastes like
you
Manchurian
guys are
cheese.
all saying stuff and I
Oh, there it
haven't
is.
even got into it.
Yeah.
by the way.
It tastes like cheese.
It is kind of like a strawberry when you first bite it with a manchego back.
It's fine for me.
It is pretty good.
No,
I'm going to go ahead and set the other half aside, and I'll come back to it later.
No, you won't.
I probably will.
I'm done.
And that leaves us with the Gelissimos. I know the girls want these. They're little fruit gel snacks. And
Oh, yes,
they
fruit
are
gel
black.
snacks are the favorites of these guys.
They're blackcurrant and melon.
Black currant and melon. When you take it out, oh, I'm a little nervous, I have to tell you.
Yeah.
When you take it out, it's covered in sugar.
Citric acid and sugar, or just sugar?
Just sugar,
Pretty good.
not tangy.
Oh, they.
Someone open
Quite
it.
nice.
Y'all did not like the strawberry stuff. We did not. I did not like that.
Yeah, me neither.
But you liked that one a lot, right?
Yes.
That one's good.
The fruit gels are always a winner around here, especially if they literally taste like fruit, which that did. You could absolutely taste the melon in it.
Yeah.
I'm going to start taking requests. So mango dark chocolate bar it is. What can you tell us about it, baby?
It is a decadent Lithuanian chocolate with a tropical twist. I feel like we're gonna have like a bunch of Lithuanian people like be like, that's not how you say it.
Right. It's just when you read it. Absolutely, baby, but it's
smell?
I just want to snap it off for the girls.
Goo.
And the inside is the mango is goo. I'm going to try just a tiny little
Oh,
bit.
it's tart.
Messy.
Sorry.
Can I have
It's not bad.
some?
Okay. I mean, I love
You
it.
didn't nobody shared with you, baby?
No.
You like it, baby?
Yeah.
I'm getting out wipes to get us all clean. There was mango goo everywhere. So did you guys like the dark chocolate with mango?
Yes, I do not like the dark chocolate part, but I do like the
Mango. So once you got past the dark chocolate and into the gooey mango inside, it was okay?
Yeah.
Baby,
I think-
did you like it?
Yeah.
Let's do more long chips. This is
Okay.
mashed potato snack, sour cream, and onion.
I smell the onion.
This is the same This is the same as the other one we just had.
Can I have one?
Absolutely.
Me too. Yes,
They
please.
are
Ask Maddie.
sour cream and onion.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Mm. Delightful.
Those are good.
Tastes like kind of like a sour cream and chive chip.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
Where is the Baltics?
I don't know. Where is the Baltics, baby? It is right there. Latvia, Lithuania. I think probably this is Russia, right? This is Estonia, Russia. So, oh, this is Sweden. It says right here, Sweden. So, it's there. Geography. The more you know. Okay.
What is the more you know from?
The more you know.
Yeah.
It was an NBC Saturday
Okay.
morning where they taught you something.
That's-
Next, we have the wafer salted dark choco drizzle elephant wafer cookies.
Lithuanian waffles aren't big, fluffy, or covered with maple syrup. Instead, they're thin, crispy, and rolled cookies called kukendam.
Nailed it.
Yep.
You just say it fast and move on.
They're
They never
closer to
know.
waffle
Cookie
cones,
gum.
but they're filled with caramel or chocolate.
Cookie gum?
Oh my goodness.
So is it like stroopwafel?
It's like, no, it's just like, I think it's just on top. That was delightful. Not real sweet.
Yeah, which I don't mind.
I don't mind that either. I was going to say more like a sugar cookie, but not even, kind of like a waffle. If you didn't do much to a waffle and it was just the sweetness that was in the batter that you were eating, because that's just a light drizzle of maybe a dark chocolate on top. So there's not a lot of sweet
salt
to it.
on top of it, so that makes it salty.
Yeah, it was delightful. Okay, next we have sunflower seeds roasted and spiced, striped.
Actually,
Maybe we won't eat these.
So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we'll just show this is in here because they are literally like sunflower seeds, like David's sunflower seeds, except for they're not David's. They are cheese. Yes. I wonder if they taste like cheese.
Yeah, they're probably a cheese thing.
well,
It says the description is shelled sunflower seeds with a dusting of cheesy goodness, and I thought disgusting cheesy goodness, and I was like, what?
Why are they admitting that? They're shelled. Shelled. They have shells. They're not shelled, right? Maybe we'll come back and test those at the end. Next we have the, I'm going to say, Nomeda chocolatey bar with apple, wafer, and nuts. What are the nuts, baby?
Almonds and peanuts.
Almonds and peanuts. I can, you cannot.
and I can't.
She cannot almond. I cannot walnut. Well, she can't most nuts. She can peanut.
Can you have it?
I can peanut.
That's what it looks like. It looks good. It looks kind of like a cross between like, I don't know, like wafery kind of Kit Katty and then Snickers in the middle. It looks
There
delicious.
is like a little filling inside.
Mm.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Forgot that it said apple.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
And I expected it to be full on fruit. I mean, full on Snickers tasting. And when you get into it, it's almost like, I don't know, baby. What would you say? Goodness. It is good, but almost like Pop-Tart filling. I know it's much fruitier than I anticipated and much softer. I thought it was going to be chocolatier and firmer. It was delightful either way. Next, we have a Grandma's Legendary Wafer Cake. Well, in English, I feel like that really explains it all.
Made by a real Lithuanian grandma.
Hi, Hannah, too.
There's got to be more information than that.
One of their employees' grandmother makes a homemade batch of her caramel stuffed waffles for inspiration. Instead, her exact recipe became the product.
That's what the inside looks like. What do you guys think? Very soft. I wasn't expecting that.
The top is like a waffle.
I don't like it.
It is like a waffle, and then when you get into the inside, it's like caramel. It's like a stroop waffle, but thick and soft.
That's what I don't like about it.
The thick softness.
Yeah.
top
I don't love the flavor.
The outside, not the chocolate part, but the outside.
The waffly part?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that part, it's sort of like a thin ice cream cone.
It is kind of like a thin ice cream cone, just a touch softer.
Yeah.
She's right.
It tastes like a cake pop.
Kind of like a cake pop, yeah. Okay, next we have Caramel Saldums Earliepigs. This is Lima. These are the people that made the cola candies that we had. Anything to tell us, baby?
From Latvia's oldest confectionery. Yeah. That's it.
That's really it?
I mean,
Well, when it
there's
comes
no-
out, that's what it looks like. Just like a candy bar. Are we all eating this? Everybody can have it? This is what it looks like on the inside. This
Oh.
one smells
Oh.
like a Snickers.
Oh, it's yes.
Oh no. The peanut
Right?
butter tastes wrong.
And we are down to our drink. This is probably the biggest drink that we've ever had when we've done this. It's called Barbaries. Barbaris. Whole lot more words that I can't say on here. Does it say in there what the flavor is, baby?
Barbaris Karastusjuk.
Yeah, that's the word I didn't say.
Barberry soda from Estonia's oldest brewery.
There's a picture in the book. It's a berry
Can I give
that looks like a cranberry. Oh,
And-
not real carbonated.
it? Can I have a taste?
Absolutely. Oh, it smells nice.
Does it not?
It does. It smells lovely. What do you think, kiddo?
Oh no. That tastes like medicine.
It smells like Swedish fish.
Yeah,
it does kind of smell like Swedish fish.
Took a turn.
Oh yeah, it does.
I mean, one thing I have discovered about sodas from other countries is their flavorings are very light. It doesn't matter which soda we have, whether it's an orange soda or whatever this kind of fruit is, or we've had grape ones in the past. They're very high in the carbonation in the soda water and very light in the syrup. It's just almost like a bubbly. You know, it's really light in flavor. Yeah, I wouldn't buy this. I'm not offended by it. Like one in our number, by the way, the oldest. The two little ones, drinking it right on up. It smells kind of like Swedish fish. It tastes slightly medicinal, but you never know. Thank you so much for coming by. We are done. We had 17 treats, 16 foods, 1 drink. This is the biggest box that Universal Yums does. I will link it below. I'm in no way associated with them. I think that my link might get you $5 off your first box, but I will put that down below in case you have any interest. I want to thank the girls for coming up and taping with us, and I hope I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos. Take care, guys.